Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 3F Benefit Analysis. We go to the instruction file. So assignment title is Excel 3F Benefit Analysis. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 3F benefit analysis downloaded with this project. We go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is change the theme to color blue to in the analysis sheets. In a cell A1 type the city of orange blossom bleach and then merge and center the title A to F and apply the title cell style merge and center. Change the theme color is to blue to go to the Excel worksheet and go to the in the analysis worksheet. Go to the analysis worksheet and change color. Change the theme color is to blue to. Go to the page layout tab. Go to the theme group. Click the color is the blue to. And A1 is the type city of orange blossom beach. Copy the title and paste the title in cell A1. Select the cell as A1 and paste the title. Press enter button. And merge and center across the column A to F. Select the range A to F. Go to the home tab. Go to the alignment group. Click the merge and center. Merge and center A to F and apply the title cell style merge cell. Go to the home tab. Go to the style group. Click the cell style and apply the title cell style. Select the title cell style. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in a cell A2 type the city implies benefit analysis 2016 to 2020 and then merge and center the subtitle across the column A to F and apply the heading 1 cell style. Copy the title and paste the title in cell A2. Select the cell as A2 and paste the title. Press enter and then merge and center the subtitle. Copy the title and select the cell is title is the merge and center. Select the cell A2 to F2. Go to the home tab. Go to the alignment group. Click the merge and center and apply the heading 1 cell style. Go to the home tab. Go to the style group. Click the cell style and heading 1 cell style. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in the range B4 to F4 fill the year range with the value 2016 through the 2020 in the cell B. A5 is the average annual cost per employees in the cell. A6 is the percentage increase. Select the range B4 to F4 and paste the range. Press enter and copy the 2016 press enter and throw the 2020. Press enter and copy the formula is 2020. And in a cell A5 is the average annual cost per employee. Copy the title and paste the cell is A5 average annual cost per employee. Select the cell is A5 and paste the title is annual average annual cost per employee. And A6 is the percent increase. Copy the title and select the cell A6 and paste the percent increase, press enter button. So question number 4 is a complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is a autofit column A and then change the width of column B to F is 11. In a cell B5 enter the value and C5 value and D5 enter the value. In a cell E5 is enter the value, F5 enter the value. Autofit column A, double click column A is autofit column A and then change the width of B to F is 11. Select the column B to F and width is 11. Right click and column width is 11. Click OK. And copy the value and paste the cell is B5. Select the cell is B5 and paste the value, press enter button. And next value is copy the value and paste the C5, press enter button. And D5 is copy the value and paste the value, press enter. Copy the value and paste the cell E5, press enter. And last value is copy the value and paste in cell F5, press enter. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a apply the currency 0 cell style, the value B5 to F5 and apply the heading 1 cell style here and apply the heading 4 cell style A5 to A6. Autofit column with the necessary. Copy the value B5 to F5 and paste the value, press enter. And currency 0 cell style. Go to the home tab, go to the style group, click the currency 0 cell style. Currency 0 cell style and apply the heading 1 cell style. At the heading 1 cell style, go to the home tab, go to the cell style group, click the heading 1 cell style. And apply the currency cell style is the value BF2 and apply the heading 1 cell style is the year. Is the year title. And year and apply the heading 4 cell style A5 to A6. Copy the value and paste the value. Is apply the heading and autofit apply the A5 to A6 is heading 4 cell style. Go to the home tab, go to the cell style group, heading for cell style, and auto fit column with its necessary. Auto fit column, select the cell is column B is auto fit column, and C is auto fit column, D column auto fit, and E and F is auto fit column. So question number 6 is a complete.